scallops. You don't know what to do? This video is for you. The sea scallop is the larger one versus the bay scallop, which is kind of smaller. We're going to be cooking them up on a nice cast iron today. We're going to get it about 400, 450 degrees, give them a nice sear on both sides. We're going to be making you a delicious lemon cream sauce, and we're going to be putting some nice Chardonnay in there as well. Just stick around, we're going to show you how it's done. Okay, now we want them to be very, very dry when we sear them, or else they won't be correct. You know, water and oil, they don't mix. So we're going to pat them nice and dry, season them right before we put them on the heat, and then we're going to season them again while they're cooking, once we flip them. Alright, now we're going to season these in batches because we don't want to draw out too much moisture for the ones that aren't ready to go yet with the salt. We're just going to do one side for now. Alright, now we're ready to go with our cast iron. We're going to heat it up, and then we're going to show you how the cooking is done. Alright, now we want to bring our pan up to 450 degrees. And then we're going to put our oil in right now, and we're going to make sure it doesn't smoke. We're going to get those scallops ready to go. And as it cooks, after we flip it, we're going to add a little bit of butter in there too. And we got the unsalted. Stay tuned. All right, we're right at temperature. Let's go. We'll put the seasoning side down. It's hot, but it is super good, you guys. All right, we're gonna let these cool down. Now we're gonna make our sauce. All right, now it's time for our sauce. Here's a copy of the ingredients. Okay, do our lemon. We squeeze a little bit in here, that's okay. Okay, we're gonna do a cup of the cream. And we're just gonna mix it in here and then throw it in the pan. We want that hot skillet we used for the scallops. Right, now we could do 2 cloves minced of the garlic, or we could do a tablespoon of this. We're gonna do that because it's easier. And that's about a tablespoon. Okay, now we're gonna use 4 tablespoons of butter. This is about 4 tablespoons. Now we're gonna use half a cup of the white wine. All right, now we're gonna dump it in the skillet. All right, we're ready to go. Alright, and we just want to cook this sauce till it thickens up a little bit. It's going to suck up all the flavor from our scallops and our seasoning. Probably about 5-10 minutes. Alright, that is done. It's nice and thickened. So we're going to take this off the heat, put it in our bowl. Alright, we got our sauce. Let's try it out. Fantastic. So good, you guys. Very easy. All you gotta do, get that skillet nice and hot, and put those scallops on, a minute or two, each side, get a nice sear, and then put the butter on there, and then get your nice lemon cream sauce over here. Here, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and check me out for the next one. God bless.